Hello, Terry here. How are you today? It's a beautiful, sunny, 60-degree day in Ohio. We're so glad to have these spring days. I have a few sewing projects I want to work on today. Some of them are my grandson's toys that have holes in them and need some stitching done. So I'll be doing those for them. And then I have this purse, and I got it at a craft show several years ago. Isn't it the cutest? It's a jeans. It's made out of jeans. You can see where they took the legs and just stitched across the legs there. And then they put a lining inside. And the lining has been slowly ripping off there. So it's a bandana. And it's just so cute. This is the lining. So they took that and then made it the size of the purse. And it's so cute. So here's where they sewed the legs together in the bottom of the purse. And then they measured and made the lining fit down inside here. So I just need to sew around. I think I'm going to use my sewing machine, and I'm going to use a light blue thread to just, this was hand stitched, and I just think with taking stuff in and out of the purse, it has loosened this lining. So I'm just going to stitch that along the, just right below the belt. And then speaking of belt, it has the cutest red belt that goes around it. So I just love this purse. It's kind of handy for, I have a thing that my wallet stuff is in, but this is handy when I want to take my planner and maybe a couple other larger items when I need to walk around. And it's got a shoulder strap, so it's like the perfect length. It's got outside pockets. It's even got a zipper. I think it's really cute. So today is sewing repair day. So put down in the comments what you're working on. And I'm trying to think of what else has been going on. I've got a quilt that I want to get started on. I'm excited to do that, so that'll be up next. I also have a couple of scrapbook pages that I want to finish up and get in the kids' books. So I will talk to you soon. Stay in touch.